If all you have is a laptop and an internet connection, you might be much closer to changing your life than you think. Right now, millions of people are making money online without going to an office. No boss standing behind them, no fixed working hours, no daily commute, just a laptop, an internet connection, and one skill. This is called freelancing. And for some people, it has completely changed their lives. But here is the surprising part. Most freelancers did not start as experts. Many started with zero experience, no degree, no connections, no money. So how are ordinary people making money online from home? And why are companies paying strangers on the internet every single day? Because businesses today need digital work constantly. Videos need editing. YouTube channels need thumbnails. Websites need writing. Brands need social media content. And most companies do not want full-time employees for every small task. So instead, they hire freelancers, people who can complete specific work online and get paid for it. That is why freelancing has exploded around the world. Now imagine this. A college student edits videos after classes and earns extra income online. A father works from home designing logos for clients in another country. A teenager learns thumbnail design and starts getting paid in dollars. This is already happening right now. And the internet made it possible. Years ago, this type of opportunity barely existed. Today, anyone with a skill can reach clients globally. But there is one thing most people misunderstand about freelancing. They think freelancing is easy money. It is not. Freelancing is simple, but not easy, because the beginning is difficult. At first, nobody knows you. Nobody trusts you. You may send dozens of messages before getting your first client. You may work for very little money in the beginning, and many people quit at this stage. But the people who continue often see something powerful happen. Skills improve, confidence improves, clients slowly start appearing. Then momentum begins. One client becomes two, two becomes five, then referrals start coming automatically. And suddenly, the same person who once struggled to make money online is now getting regular payments. This is why freelancing changes lives. Not because it is magic, because skills become income. Now here is the interesting part. The internet does not care where you live. A person sitting in a small town can work for someone living thousands of miles away. That is why freelancing feels so different from traditional jobs. The opportunity is global, and some skills are growing faster than ever because of AI and social media. Video editing, short-form content, AI content creation, thumbnail design, script writing. Businesses need these things every single day, and demand keeps increasing. But the people making the most money understand something important. They do not just learn random skills. They learn skills that help businesses grow, because businesses pay for results. If your work helps someone get more views, more customers, or more sales, your value increases immediately. Now let us talk about the biggest mistake beginners make. They spend months watching motivational videos but never start practicing. Watching is not freelancing. Doing is freelancing. The people learning online are not necessarily smarter. They simply started earlier. Even bad practice is better than endless planning. That first project matters more than perfection, because action creates experience, and experience creates confidence. Now think about the world today. Millions of businesses are moving online. Content creation is exploding. AI tools are changing the internet economy. And digital skills are becoming more valuable every year. This is why freelancing may continue growing for a very long time. But there is also a warning. Freelancing rewards consistency, not excuses. Some people try for 1 week and quit. Others continue learning for 1 year. And those are usually the people who eventually succeed. Because every successful freelancer started as a beginner once. Every expert was once unknown. Every skilled editor once made terrible edits. Growth happens slowly, then suddenly. Now imagine where you could be 1 year from today if you started learning one valuable skill right now. One client could change everything. One opportunity could start a completely different future. The internet has created opportunities that previous generations never had. But opportunities only matter for people willing to use them. Start small. Learn consistently. Practice every week. And over time, a simple skill could become a real online income stream.